In this video, I'm gonna use scrape data that I got using Apify, like I showed in my previous video. And I'm gonna write here icebreakers and emails using AI. So in my upcoming video, it's gonna be easier for me to send automated emails to customers. Before writing here an icebreaker or email itself, I'm gonna run it with Microsoft Excel. What I want to do is sort by emails. As you can see here, this time I only have 32 leads with emails, and I'm just gonna delete other ones. Of course, you can find or use programs to find emails for these leads also, but I'm just gonna delete these ones and continue the simplest way. And of course, if you have paid version and you get thousands of leads, then you're gonna get much more results with emails. And also I'm gonna sort it a bit more of the stuff that I don't need. But overall, I think this is nice information. So I'm gonna save this Excel and now I'm gonna upload it to Google Drive. In Google Drive, I have to open it, save it here as Google Sheets, otherwise make.com is not gonna find it. So now I can delete this Excel file. And here in Google Sheets, what I'm gonna do, in the end, I'm gonna add this new column called Icebreaker. And also I'm gonna add email. This time I'm gonna try to write an icebreaker and email. Let's see how AI is gonna deal with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here in make.com, add new module, Google Sheet, and here it's gonna be search rows. Make sure that you have same connection. I'm just gonna map out this same Google Sheet. I don't need filtering, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna limit this one because I want to see how AI is actually working before running it. Next thing that I'm gonna use is AI. I'm using XAI. I'm gonna actually try Grok 4 this time, how it's gonna perform. For the user role, I'm gonna add here a text. And for second message, I'm gonna add assistant. And here I'm gonna add information about this person and about their company. So I'm just gonna take whole bundle. I know there is more information than is needed, but let it be over here. It's gonna be easier like this. I'm gonna put it on auto. Maybe AI is gonna search for something from web. Let's see it, save it. And also I'm gonna add another AI. Here I'm gonna use, for example, Grok 3. If you don't know how to write prompts, then obviously you can just ask AI and then AI is gonna write you a prompt that you can just paste in your make.com. So I'm gonna copy this one. I'm not even actually gonna read it. Just trust AI over here. Add all the other information as assistant. So also all the information it has, and click save. If you don't want AI to write the full information, then you can delete this AI, or in reverse, if you don't want AI to write the icebreak, then you also don't need this module. But I'm just gonna try how it's gonna work and also show you how you can use this system. And now I'm gonna add last module, also Google Sheets, but this time update a row. So I did mapping of the same Google Sheet, and what I need here is row number. And this row number I can get from the first module. Here it is. Now I'm gonna scroll down and here in Icebreak I'm gonna fill from the first AI results and email from the second one. I'm gonna click save and run once and it should output me icebreaks and emails. So let's see what we have over here actually. If you go over here, definitely not the best icebreaker, but I think you get the idea that you have to just prompt AI better and you can get pretty nice results. I have done it before. And later in my next video, I'm gonna show how to use this icebreaker or this email thing or this full written email. Obviously prompt also better. It is very simple emails, very simple icebreakers. Here needs to be a lot of more AI prompting, but here is the idea. So now I have fixed a bit prompting, as you can see. It's still outputting me subject over here. One thing that you can do is put subject in another column and use it later in the Instantly in the next video that I'm gonna show. But for now I excluded subject and the AI is now generating me a new emails and new icebreakers. For example, like this one. Hey, I noticed your recent work as social media manager on LinkedIn. I'm Janek, I'm from Hexagon Automations. We help busy professionals like you, blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna remove limit, click save and run once. And now it's gonna update me all the contacts that I have. Filling up all the icebreakers or emails is gonna take some time, especially if you have hundreds or even thousands of them. But it's a very good way for a lazy person or if you don't want to do it all by yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. In my upcoming video, I'm gonna show next step what to do with all this information and those icebreakers and how to send it out to people using Instantly. But for now, have a great day.